Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to use Amyris essential oil to treat heavy legs, varicose veins, stress and overwork. Amyris essential oil is a light yellow color and has a sweet, resinous and woody scent. It is used in perfumery. Amyris essential oil is a venous and lymphatic decongestant, to be used in the legs. It is used in cases of varicose veins, hemorrhoids. Its relaxing power is perfect when it is used in diffusion. Amyris wood, a balsam tree often used as a torch by fishermen, hence its name that is sometimes attributed to it. It is indeed known as candlewood, or torchwood, because of the high oil content of the wood. Amyris, a beautiful tree typical of Haiti, is said to be part of the botanical family of citrus fruits. And yet its bark or its wood, nothing to do with the citrus scent of a lemon tree or an orange tree. Their wood is often used for making torches and as fuel. Its high resin content gives the fire of this wood a brilliant light, and it burns well even if it's green. In addition, the wood is hard, heavy, fine in texture, shiny to the polish, and repellent to termites. In cases of heavy legs, varicose veins, mix 5 drops of Amyris essential oil with a tablespoon of macadamia vegetable oil. Massage yourself in the evening, before going to bed. In cases of stress, overwork, use the essential oil of Amyris in diffusion. 5 drops in your diffuser, for 20 minutes. Essential oils are no harmless remedies. Seek the advice of a doctor before taking any medication. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Try a patch test before using an essential oil topically. To perform a patch test, place a diluted drop of oil onto a small part of your skin. If you develop dermatological symptoms, wash it off and do not use that oil on your skin. Not recommended for pregnant and nursing women. Ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice before taking any medication. In the next video, I will talk about how to use dill essential oil in case of bloating, nausea and engorgement of the breasts. If you like this video, subscribe to Soul Society. Thanks for watching.